It's critical, Howard. There's definitely a piece missing.
You know, it still amazes me how you managed to do that with a sense of touch alone, Lester.
Well, you know, when one sense diminishes, the other increases. You know, Shaolin monks, trained blindfold, they can catch a fly in midair with chopsticks just by feeling the vibrations. Everything's vibrations, Howard, like music. Here, let me demonstrate. Throw me that spanner, Howard. Don't be shy now. Throw it at me hard. Throw me another one. One more time. Now let's go get the missing piece of that record.
It's the closet, Lester.
Oh, yeah.